Hey YouTube, it's Pokedad, and today is pack opening Friday. So I have some packs that I'll be opening. Well, actually I recorded these openings about a month or so ago when Ancient Origins was just coming out. I never did release them on the channel. I have to say the video quality is not the greatest, and I'm looking at investing into a better camera for Ancient Origins. So just bear with me, but these were some really good pack pulls, so I didn't want to let you miss out on those. I will tell you though, I'm going to a pre-release this weekend, and so next Friday I will have some Ancient Origin packs before they're even supposed to be released. I'll have some of those open for you. So be on the lookout next Friday for those. And anyway, this is Pokedad. Hit subscribe and like the channel, and I will go to the pack opening.
Hey guys, it's Pokedad with my son, and we are opening 3 more Roaring Skies packs for you. So the first pack is a Deoxys pack, so we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, hold them still, please. Natu. Togepi, don't hold them at an angle, please. Hold them like you had them before, please. Fletchling. Execute. Talo. Silcoon. Wally. Togetic, Reverse Hollow Absol, and can't see it, son, and Banette.
For the last one?
Mm-hmm. Bagon, Pidove, Nincada, Swablu, Voltorb, Latios Spirit Link, Dustox, Fearow, Wurmple Reverse Hollow, and ooh, a Hydreigon Full Art. Very nice. Hydreigon EX. Alright, we got one more pack here. Alright, tilt them up a little bit. There we go. Gligar, Shuppet, Meowth, Cascoon, tilt it up please, Halucha, Tropius, Skyfield, Rayquaza Spirit Link, Togekiss Reverse Hollow, nice, beautiful card, and an Absol Hollow Rare. Hey guys, this is Pokedad again, and I've got another pack opening for you. Today we're opening 2 Roaring Skies packs, and so we'll go ahead and get right into it. And the first pack is a Rayquaza pack. Alright. I have my dad helping me. He's gotten into Pokemon. Alright. And let's see what we got. Give me just a second to see it. There we go. We got Shelgon, Mega Turbo, Fearow, Talo, Bagon, Pidove, Swablu, Wurmple. Alright, we have a reverse holo Fearow, and let's see what the rare is. Oh, and we got a holo rare Deoxys. Okay, so not a bad pack right there. Alright. And then this one is a Deoxys pack. We just got a Deoxys. Now let's see if we can pull a Rayquaza out of this one. Alright. We've got Fearow, Pelipper, Revive, Voltorb, Togepi, Shuppet, Spearow, Wingull, Reverse Holo Dustox, and a Mega Latios EX. So we got a pretty good pool there. Hey everyone, this is Pokedad again. We've got some more Roaring Skies packs for you. So let's see what we can pull today. And so we'll go ahead and get started. We've got a Gallade pack, Mega Gallade. Alright, and we start off with a Gallade Spirit Link, a Shelgon, a Ninjask, a Nincada, Dunsparce, Wingull, Dratini, Electrike, alright, a Reverse Holo Fletchinder, and a Swellow Ancient Traits, Holo Rare. So good, not a bad pool for that pack.
Wow.
Alright, next pack is the Deoxys one. I think we have 2 Deoxys left. Alright, and we've got Wide Lens, Manectric, Trainer's Mail, which that, guys, is a real good card. I recommend you guys pick those up if you can. Dunsparce, Spearow, Natu, Nincada, Gligar, another Reverse Holo Dustox. Oh my goodness, and a secret rare energy switch. Wow, that's really nice. I don't know if we can top that. Matter of fact, I'm certain we can't top that in the last pack, but we'll go ahead and open the last pack for you. Overall, Roaring Skies has had some really good pull rates. Alright, and the last pack, Pelipper, Togetic, Latios Spirit Link, Spearow, Voltorb, Inkay, Cascoon, Meowth, Fearow, Reverse Holo, and a Jirachi Holo Rare. So overall, not too bad. We got some good pulls. We'll have some more pack openings for you at another time, but also check out my deck analysis videos and the battle videos I've done. There was one where I used Mega Gardevoir and Togekiss from Roaring Skies, along with Shaman EX, the new one, and I've got a lot of people liking that, so go check that out. please leave us a comment and also hit subscribe if you haven't already. Anyway, thanks again and talk to you later. Bye.